Hi Miss V, this is my fourth PE Go video. This week, like I as I said for last few videos, I want to keep my I want to drink 8 cups every day. This week I tried really hard. I drank like 8 cups of milk and 8 cups of water and like 2 or 3 cups of milk. My mom has to buy like 2 bottles of milk like in 1 week, and yeah. I think I'm also like growing a lot, and yeah, that's about it. I'm keeping 8 cups of water now, so I think I'm eating less, and yeah, I'm feeling better every day, and yeah. Uh, I th- I'm I think I'm okay with my goal. I think I kind of achieved my goal. Yeah, thank you.